हेलो एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जो है वो ईएफटी टाइपिंग करने वाले हैं, ताकि इन केस आपकी बॉडी में जो एनर्जी है वो जो प्रॉपरली फ्लो ना कर रही हो तो उसको हम जो है वो करेक्ट कर सके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। इवन दो द एनर्जी इज नॉट फ्लोइंग प्रॉपरली इन माई बॉडी, in spite of that, I love and accept myself completely and deeply. Even though the energy is not properly flowing into my body, in spite of that, I love and accept myself completely and deeply. Even though the energy flow is not proper, in spite of that, I love and accept myself completely and deeply. Now imagine a white light is entering into your body from the top of your head, entering into your face, to the back side of your head, to your eyes. Now it is going to your neck. From neck, it is going to your shoulders. From shoulders, it is going to your hands. Now moving into your fingers. Now it is going back to your chest. From chest, it is going to the abdomen. Now it is moving to the lower part of your body. This energy is flowing in your thighs. From thighs, it is moving to your feet. From your feet, it is going to your toes. And from toes, it is touching the earth. And after touching the earth, it is coming back to your toes. Now it is going to your feet, moving to your thighs, moving to the upper part of your body, touching the abdomen, entering into your chest, to your shoulders. From shoulders, it is moving to your hands. From hands, it is moving to your fingers. Now it is going back to your neck. From neck, it is going to your face. Now it is entering into your eyes, to your forehead. And now it is going back to the universe from the top of your head. Now again, it is coming back from the top of your head to your face. Now going back to the neck. From neck, it is going to your shoulders. From shoulders, it is going to your hands, to your fingers. Now it is going to your chest. From chest, it is going to the abdomen. Now moving to the lower body, touching the thighs, entering into your feet. And from feet, it is touching the earth and coming back to you again. From your toes to your feet, from feet to your thighs, from thighs to your abdomen area. Now it is going to your chest, to your neck, to your shoulders, to your hands, to your fingers, to your face, to the back of your head, to your eyes. Now going back to the universe again from the top of your head. Now take a deep breath and exhale. And do let me know in the comment box कि आपका जो एनर्जी फ्लो है वो जो है वो इसकी वजह से जो है वो डू यू थिंक हैज इम्प्रूव्ड और नॉट. एंड प्लीज डू लाइक this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to join our WhatsApp community, then the link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video.